Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing your system. Install the Homebrew channel and create a full NAND backup with bootmi or another dumper. Once done, place an SD card formatted FAT32 in your PC and copy the backup. This protects you if the menu fails. Next, download a reputable Wii Menu music patcher and an audio converter that outputs BRSDM or 16-bit PCM at 48K HC. Make sure the files match the tool's input specs before moving on. You'll now prepare the replacement audio. Open your chosen track, trim and normalize it, and set sample rate to 48K HC and 16-bit as required. Once converted to BRSDM or the tool's format, name the file exactly as specified, case-sensitive. Insert the SD card into the Wii, launch the Homebrew channel, and run the menu music patcher. Follow prompts to inject the new file into the menu title. Allow the process to finish without powering off. After injection, reboot to the Wii menu and listen carefully. Confirm the loop, timing, and volume are correct. If the menu hangs or crashes, power off and restore your NAND from the backup immediately. This undoes any faulty injection. If audio sounds wrong, reconvert with different bitrate or mono/stereo settings and rerun the patcher. Make sure to keep the original files on your SD card and test incremental changes so you can revert quickly if something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.